Hello folks, Dave Schulte here. Here on an emergency. Got a pipe on the second floor that leaked down, caused water damage to the walls and the ceilings. Go ahead and show you a few steps on how to dry your walls and ceilings out with proper dry down equipment and a proper containment. So come on in. All right, here was a bursted water pipe underneath the master bathroom vanity. Caused a water leak. It's been fixed. So what we're going to do is set up downstairs and dry out the walls and the ceilings. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So this is the water damage it caused. You can see the molding all along here. Down this wall here. So we're going to go ahead and demo all this out, remove it, and then dry it out for a good 3 days. So, and I just wanted to show you the layers of our containment here. You can see that we applied blue tape first. This protects the paint. Then on top of that, we use our sticky tape. We roll it up, we apply it on top of the blue tape, like this, in preparation of our plastic, which is 6 mil, very strong. And what happens is, we take that now and apply it to the sticky tape here, leaving enough room for the green tape, which is very adhesive. You do not want to apply this to the paint, but as you can see here, we're right on top of the blue tape. And that gives us a great seal, and you're not going to have a containment that falls from the ceiling. Go ahead and protect the floors. So as we demo this out, we're not causing any damage or staining to the floors, so it's a good idea to use 6 mil plastic as well. All right, we're getting close to being done with our critical barrier here.